So mathematically the average force is change in momentum per unit time. So here delta P is the change in linear momentum and delta T is the time interval. So this is the basic definition of the average force. From here things starts. Next is dimension of force. So dimension of force is dimension of delta P by delta T. Delta P has the dimension m1 L1 T minus 1 and this is T1. So the dimension is m1 L1 T minus 2. Next is SI unit of force, it is Newton. Next is CGS unit of force, it is Dian. Next one, now we have the ratio of Newton and Dian is 10 is to power 5. Then Dian by Newton is 10 is to power minus 5. Then we have instantaneous force, which is derivative of momentum with respect to time, dp by dt. Then is force is a vector quantity. Then we have a momentum time graph and 3 points on it, ABC. So the force on the graph is equal to tan theta, which is also equal to minus of tan alpha as per A is concerned. So if the angle is you see clockwise, here you just take minus tan alpha, and if angle is anti-clockwise, you take the slope as tan theta. Now force is positive, right? So obviously force is tan theta, so it's positive when theta is less than 90, which is possible in graph C over here. Force is negative, right? So force will be negative when alpha is angle is obtuse, so which is possible in graph A. Force is 0 when theta is 0, so it's possible in at point B. So in this way you have seen that these worksheets are psychologically designed. They are based on a mental pattern in which we start with the very basic concepts, the very basic terms, and then repeat those things again and again until students are able to get 100% retention in those patterns. And depending on the progress of students, we offer him the next worksheet. So it's a sort of customized worksheet, and that is the best possible thing which can be done for independent student, because in a class of 100 students, every student is different. There is a spectrum of frequencies of the students ranging from the worst to the best, and teacher cannot teach according to everybody. He actually stick to a certain average frequency, and in which obviously certain students suffer, and often the students who are either below average or above average suffer. So customized mind training program is the only solution to deal with the gaps in preparation and result. So optimal worksheets are just a process, just a way to develop the mind brain system of the students, making their algorithms much stronger so that they can perform better in competitive exams. Thank you and have a nice day.